Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome back sa lahat ng Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn at sa mga bago. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest the love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Miss Mo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay singles love reading. Okay? So, ang reading na to ay para sa lahat ng Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, na single at the moment, and looking for someone special, waiting for uh, love na dumating sa buhay nila, manifesting love life, diba? Manifesting relationship and connection sa person ninyo. So, ayan. So, kaya if you're in a relationship right now, may kayo someone special, happy in yung relationship, either you can leave this video or stay to support my channel, and baka kasi may mga kakilala kayong earth signs na nangangailangan ng guidance, you can relay this video sa kanila. Okay? Ayun. At habang binabalasa ko rin to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. At sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing to Mystico Moreno and by liking this video and comment na rin sa baba. For engagement, it helps the channel grow. At kapag nag-grow ang channel ko, mas marami pa akong love reading na magagawa. Okay? So, maraming salamat po muli. Alright, so ang gagawin natin, bubunot ako ng tatlong cards from this oracle deck. That would be the overall energy ng reading niya ito. And from there, we'll go deeper using the tarot cards. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. I'll get the third card. Dahil March ngayon. First card. Oops. Uy, happiness. Happiness agad. Okay. Second card. Peace. Uy, wow. Happiness na. Peace pa. Tingnan natin ang third card. Confidence. Diba? Alright. Nice, nice. Okay. So, this person na darating sa life niyo, magbibigay siya talaga ng saya sa buhay niyo. Your heart will be happy. Your life will be happy. Diba? The relationship na mabubuo between you and your this person is full of joy, full of happiness. Tapos, ito yung nakakuha kong energy at the moment. Biglang nagda-download lang siya. Itong person na to, may sense of humor siya. Alam niyo yun, yung effortless, ba, na sense of humor, yung hindi niya kailangang mag-joke, yung kahit simpleng hihirit lang or mga may pagka-witty itong tao na to na kapag humirit siya or may ginawa siyang anything na like magsalita siya or mag-comment siya sa isang bagay. Ano yung matatawa ka na lang talaga. And nakikita ko talaga yung sense of humor dito. Sobrang aligned sa sense of humor mo. Na magpapangiti ka ditong tao nito. Tatawa ka lang sa mga jokes niya, sa mga kwento niya. Marami siyang mga puns. Okay? So, yun ako kung energy. But overall, magiging masaya ka with this person. And yung goal din ng tao nito is bukod sa mahilig ka, ay pasayahin ka. Di ba napakaganda? And itong person na darating din sa life mo will give you peace. Alam mo yun, sa isang relationship, more than joy, uh, importante na may peace. Okay? Uh, hindi ko sinasabing perfect ang relationship na walang issues, walang conflict, walang mga um, kompromisong mangyayari. Pero alam mo yun na yung wala kang iisipin masyado kapag kasama mo itong tao na to, or even with this person talaga, yung pagmamahal niya, hindi ka magdadalawang isip na, ay, mahal ba niya ako o hindi? Dahil mararamdaman mo and you will be at peace. Okay? Hindi ka matitrigger ng pagka-siloso-siloso mo. Alam mo yun, hindi ka mag-overthink. Uh, well reciprocated yung connection. Diba? Hindi ka niya pag-alalahanin kapag, kumari, aalis siya, may work somewhere, i-inform ka niya lagi para hindi ka mag-alala. Alam mo, may peace of mind ka talaga in this relationship. And you'll be at peace. Talaga. Yung, alam mo yung feeling na hindi mo ma-explain, pero alam mo lang na kalmado ka, masaya ka, na walang magiging problema. And magiging smooth sailing lang ang lahat. Ganon yung energy na nakukuha ko with this connection with this person. Okay? And ito rin yung tao na um, hindi niya ina-avoid yung conflict in a sense na kung nandiyan na yung conflict, iiwasan na hindi. Actually, itong tao na to would always want to resolve any issues and conflict right away. Pero ito rin yung tao na can confront you or the situation in a calm and mature way. Okay? Kaya alam mo na okay lang din na mayroon ka rin ng issue dahil alam nyo mapapag-usapan ninyo ng maayos at ng kalmado. Okay? And there's so much confidence in this relationship in a sense na, yun nga, confident ka na magiging okay ang lahat. And itong taon na to din, meron siyang energy of confidence, meaning secure siyang tao. Okay? Alam niya kung ano yung kanyang ibigay at hindi ibigay sa relationship. Pero yung mga hindi niya kayang ibigay, gagawa niya ng paraan para at least kung siguro ma-meet yun halfway, or he or she will do his or her best na ma-achieve yun. Okay? And confident din siya na kaya kanyang mahalin at kaya niyang panindigan yung mga bagay na sinabi niya, pinangako niya sa'yo, at sinabi niyang gagawin niya para sa'yo. Okay? And on your end then, you'll be confident na hindi ka pababayaan nito, hindi ka sasaktan nito. Again, halos magkakasama yung similar yung energies nito eh, yung peace. Kaya nasa gitna siya eh. Peace resonates with the confidence na alam mo everything will be alright. And peace resonates then with happiness that when you're at peace, di ba, walang problema, or kahit mayroon, mag-resolve agad. Kaya masaya lang, happy lang lagi. Di ba? Okay, sige, before ko ituloy sa tarot, claim this energy, comment nyo na below, lalo na kung nag-resonate siya sa inyo, comment nyo na happiness, peace, confidence. Kasi I'm trying to manifest this and project this energy papunta sa inyo. Okay? So, it's an energy exchange. I'm trying to manifest it, project it sa inyo. All you have to do is accept and claim this very good energy ng paparating na love life, and connection. Okay, so claim nyo lang by writing happiness, peace, and confidence sa comments section. Okay? Ayan. Alright. Now, punta tayo sa detalye. Alamin natin ano bang mga kaganapan or sa connection natin. And if meron mga blockage na kailangan yung malaman para maiwasan ninyo or magawa ninyo ng okay? At habang binabalasa ko ito, gusto kong i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective reading. So pag collective reading siya, it may or may not resonate dahil I'm trying to tap all energies ng lahat ng earth signs. So, posibleng matap ko yung energy nyo, posibleng hindi rin. Okay? Kaya kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Abangan nyo na rin yung susunod ko pang reading. Kaya importante na nakasubscribe kayo para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Or, panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Alright, sige. Simulan na natin. I'll get also the third card dahil March ngayon. Okay, bubuna tayo ng 8 cards. So, first card, the Chariot. Okay, parating na siya. Second card, Four of Cups. Third card, Queen of Cups. Fourth card, Four of Wands. Okay. Fifth card, Two of Pentacles. Sixth card, Seven of Cups. Seventh card, Six of Swords. Okay. And last, King of Swords. Okay. Alright, so nagsimula siya sa The Chariot and nag-end siya sa King of Swords. Okay? And bottom of the deck, Six of Cups. Okay, gabi lang natin dito. Okay. So there's a strong energy of Cancer. Okay? Sa reading na ito, so pwede yun yung sign ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Pwedeng ibang signs pa rin. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. And this is not just yung sun placement. Okay? So pwedeng Cancer yung Moon, Venus, and rising nila. So check nyo na lang. Okay? Alright. Sige. Interpret na natin. So itong love na paparating, malapit na siya. Okay? And it's moving fast towards you. Yung energy ba? And nakikita ko dito na malapit yun na siyang makilala. Okay? And at the moment, syempre, you're waiting for it. And nakikita ko dito na matagal nyo na talaga itong mini-manifest. Itong person with these qualities na na-mention ko kanina. And the relationship then having this energy of happiness, peace, and confidence. Matagal nyo na siyang inaasam-asam. Okay? And because Four of Cups is a card of, alam mo, discontent. Hindi na kayo talaga contento sa single life. Ang nakakuha kong energy dito is there are times din talaga na Um, umuupo kayo sa, ang nakikita kong image dito is nasa dining table kayo ng apartment nyo o ng bahay nyo, and you're wondering, kailan kaya darating yung taong magmamahal sa akin? Kailan kaya darating yung taong mamahalin ko at mamahalin din ako? May mga ganung thoughts kayo recently. And pinagpipray nyo talaga na sana dumating siya. And I can sense talaga that this person, this energy, this new love is coming towards you. And nakikita ko dito, Queen of Cups. This person talaga will express love, diba? And will be very committed and devoted sa inyo. Itong tao na to, as I mentioned earlier, has confidence. And ito si Queen of Cups has this energy of emotional maturity. Okay? Kaya yung goal niya is papasayin niya kayo. Okay? Is because alam niya dahil yun din yung gusto niya na mangyari sa kanya at sa relationship na ipupursue niya with you. Okay? So, there's so much nurturing energy din dito sa love na paparating. Queen of Cups is a card of nurturing love din. Okay? A card of commitment. Sobrang, mo yun, kung ako ito, I will really look forward to this connection, this relationship. And darating siya na hindi mo ina-expect. Kaya, yung bottom of the deck is Six of Cups, which is surprise. It will come as a surprise. Okay? Something na hindi mo rin talaga ina-expect na mangyari. And dito sa Four of Wands, as you can see here, there will be a union. Okay? A milestone. A proposal. Diba? Pag nakilala mo tong tao na to, talagang i-express niya yung motive niya to pursue you. Okay? There will be a milestone sa connection, di ba? Kaya, kabang-abang. Kabang-abang siya. Okay? And as shown here by the Two of Pentacles, there will be a balance. But at the same time kasi nakikita ko dito na parang mapapaisip ka pa ng konti. Alam mo bakit? Ito yung nakukuha kong energy kasi dito. Na minanifest mo siya, but at the same time kasi, syempre, bago ito sa inyo eh. Either you've been single for quite a while, or you've been single since birth, tapos may dumating na tao na sobrang pinapakita yung feelings niya towards you. So ikaw, being someone na matagal nang naka-experience ng gano'n or hindi pa naka-experience ng gano'n, bago sa'yo yung feeling or panibago or alam mo yun, na kakaiba na parang tama ba to? May ganong energy ako nasasabi na parang tama ba tong pinapasok ko? Parang gano'n. Pero it's quite normal, syempre, hindi ka naman din yung ang nakuha kong energy dito, hindi ka rin naman yung tao na basta-basta mag-jump into a relationship just because gusto mo na magkaroon ng karelasyon tapos bigla may dumating. So, you're still tinatansya mo rin muna and dadaan ka pa rin dun sa getting to know stage. Alright? before you really uh, commit to this person as well. Okay? Kasi Seven of Cups, as you can see here, is a card of indecision. Diba? Parang biglang ikaw na nung una, nag-wonder kailan darating. Tapos pag may dumating, ikaw din yung biglang nagdadalong isip kung ipupush mo siya or not. Okay? So, may ganung energy akong nasasagap. So, Seven of Cups is a card of indecisions. Okay? And, um, pero nakakabit siya kay Six of Swords. And alam niyo ba na si Six of Swords, ang energy niya is just surrendering to the situation. What it means is accepting and trusting the process. Trusting that the universe is guiding you, is protecting you. Okay? So kapag dumating itong tao na to, entertain this person, get to know this person, okay? And just enjoy every moment with this person until ma maging stable siya at mag-grow yung connection in your relationship. So, just surrender to this energy. Just surrender to this um, love coming because itong love na to will give you a happiness, peace, and sense of confidence dun sa situation. Okay? And ma-feel nyo siya. Ma-feel nyo siya sa intuition ninyo. Ma-feel nyo siya na ito na yun. Okay? Mararamdaman nyo siya. And it will be expressed naman talaga. Ito si King of Swords, as you can see here. Itong tao na to, very honest, very loyal, okay, very mature. Yun yung energy ni King of Swords. And si King of Swords din, siya yung person na if itong energy na to, it means na itong tao na darating sa buhay mo, very open siya. Kaya niyang sabihin lahat ng gusto niya sabihin in a nice, calm, and proper way. Yung hindi ka ma-awkward, hindi ka magugulat, or hindi ka matitrigger. Walang ganun. Kasi very articulate yung tao na to. Kaya niyang explain din yung mga nararamdaman niya or yung mga intention niya. Kaya niyang sabihin sa iyo ng malinaw. At sasabihin niya sa iyo iyon with all honesty, okay? With a sense of maturity. And itong tao na to talaga magiging loyal sa iyo. Okay? So, kapag dumating siya sa buhay niyo, mararamdaman niyo yun. And just give this person a chance. And kung ano man yung mga pag-aalinlangan nyo, normal lang siya, pero don't let it hinder the connection. So, kung di lang natitrigger kayo, di ba, yung sabihin, meron pa kayong mga unhealed wounds from the past, okay? Try nyo muna siyang i-process, i-heal. Okay? And kasi yung Four of Cups din is ayun, yun, may tendency kayong maging emotionally detached. So, iwasan nyo yun. Kasi, napakaganda ng energy ng love na paparating. So, now that nakita nyo yung energy na to, magkakaroon kayo ng self-awareness. And I hope this will guide you to be more self-aware sa mga tendencies, sa mga triggers ninyo, sa mga situation that might lead to delay or that may hinder this wonderful connection. Okay? Ayan. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Again, claim nyo na yung energy, happiness, peace, and confidence. Okay? And ito yung detalye na na-mention. dito. So, ayan, sana nakatulong and use this reading with discernment. Okay? So, again, this is a collective reading. This may or may not resonate with everyone. Alright? And I would like to invite all earth signs, those Virgo Capricorn, that if you want a personal reading para mas naka-align sa energy ninyo, if you want a personal reading, you can book a personal reading. Message nyo lang ako sa email na makikita nyo sa description notes. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Kita-kits na lang ulit sa susunod ko pang reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat.